Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today I am going to show you how to remove Google account from iPhone. Okay, so let's get started. Then first of all click on Google app. Okay, then click on top right profile icon, then click, then choose your Gmail, then tap on this option, then show all Gmail, then choose on Gmail. Okay, tap on profile, click on manage your Google account. Okay, tap on security option. Okay, click on data and privacy, scroll down, click on delete a Google service, just click, then you type your password and delete your account. That's all. Thanks for watching. Please like, comments and subscribe. Thank you.